$10,000. That's your budget, and you need an SUV that won't become a money pit. We found 10 proven winners. Let's get started. The Honda CR-V from 2008 to 2012 is the gold standard. The 2.4-liter K24 engine routinely crosses 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. This engine uses a timing chain, eliminating expensive belt replacements. The 5-speed automatic transmission is equally bulletproof. Real-world fuel economy sits at 22 to 24 miles per gallon. Cargo space offers 35.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats. The weaknesses? 2008 to 2010 models had air conditioning compressor clutch failures. Budget $600 to $800 if not replaced. Paint chips easily on hoods. Who's this for? First-time SUV buyers and small families prioritizing reliability. Parts are everywhere and affordable. The deal breaker? Towing capacity maxes at 1,500 pounds, but for rock-solid dependability, this is your answer. The Toyota RAV4 from 2009 to 2012 competes directly with the CR-V. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder produces 179 horsepower. Ground clearance is 6.3 inches, better for rough roads than the CR-V's 5.1. Fuel economy matches the CR-V at 22 to 25 miles per gallon. The critical issue? Some 2009 to 2010 models developed excessive oil consumption after 150,000 miles. Check oil religiously. The 2010 model had several recalls. Verify completion before buying. The 4-speed transmission feels dated. Who should buy this? Buyers needing more ground clearance, outdoor enthusiasts valuing Toyota reliability. The deal breaker? That outdated transmission hunts for gears constantly, but maintenance costs are rock bottom with Toyota's parts network. The Subaru Forester from 2012 to 2014 brings standard all-wheel drive. The 2.5-liter flat-four produces a 170 horsepower with the CVT transmission delivering 22 miles per gallon combined. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system is genuinely superior in snow and rain. Here's the key clarification. Notorious head gasket failures plagued 2009 to 2011 Foresters. By 2012, Subaru resolved this issue. If buying 2012 or newer, head gasket failure is far less likely. However, some burn oil up to a quart every 1,000 miles. Subaru considers this normal. Check dipsticks regularly. The CVT can develop shuddering around 50 to 60,000 miles. Verify software updates were applied. Who should buy this? Snowbelt residents and outdoor enthusiasts. The deal breaker? If you don't need all-wheel drive, you're accepting lower fuel economy. Maintenance costs run 15% higher than Honda or Toyota. But in winter, this gets you home safely.
The Mazda CX-5 from 2014 to 2016 is the driver's choice. Critical advice: skip the 2013 model. It only had the underpowered 2.0-liter engine. The 2014 model introduced the better 2.5-liter Sky Active four-cylinder, producing 184 horsepower. This is the one you want. Fuel economy leads the class at 26 city, 35 highway for front-wheel drive. Interior quality punches above its price with soft-touch materials. The steering communicates. The suspension balances comfort and control. The weaknesses? The ride is firmer than competitors. 0 to 60 takes around 9 seconds. Watch for infotainment freezing. Verify software updates. The engine can develop carbon buildup around 60 to 80,000 miles, costing $400 to $600 to clean. Rust concerns exist in snowbelt states. Who should buy this? Driving enthusiasts who need practicality. The deal breaker? Rear seats are cramped for 3 adults. But if driving enjoyment matters, this proves SUVs don't have to be boring. Remember, 2014 or newer only. The Toyota Highlander from 2008 to 2010 offers 3-row seating for 7 or 8 passengers. Skip the 4-cylinder. You want the 3.5-liter V6 producing 270 horsepower. Fuel economy is 18 to 21 miles per gallon combined. Cargo space ranges from 10.3 cubic feet with all seats up to 95.4 with seats folded. Here's critical maintenance information. This V6 uses a timing chain, not a belt. No expensive replacement needed. But you absolutely must address the rubber oil cooler lines. These are prone to bursting, causing catastrophic engine failure. Budget $500 to $800 to replace these with upgraded metal lines immediately after purchase. This is non-negotiable. Watch for transmission issues in high-mileage examples. Harsh shifting indicates wear. Rebuilds cost $3,000 plus. Test drive thoroughly. Who should buy this? Large families needing 3 rows. Anyone towing up to 5,000 pounds. The deal breaker? Fuel economy if commuting solo. Urban parking is challenging. But for families, this is peace of mind. Just replace those oil cooler lines first. The Lexus RX 350 from 2007 to 2009 brings luxury at mainstream prices. The 3.5-liter V6 produces 270 horsepower. Expect 120 to 150,000 miles at this price point. Interior quality is stunning with soft leather and real wood trim. The ride quality is cloud-like. Highway quietness rivals luxury sedans. Air suspension on some models can fail. Replacement costs $2,000 to $3,000 per strut. Look for conventional coil springs instead.
Dashboard cracks develop from sun exposure, costing $500 to $1,000 to repair. Maintenance costs are higher. Oil changes require 7 quarts of synthetic oil at $60 to $80. The 3.5-liter V6 uses a timing chain, eliminating belt worries. Who should buy this? Buyers wanting luxury on a budget. Empty nesters. Long-distance commuters valuing comfort. The deal breaker? Premium fuel is recommended, adding a significant ongoing cost of 20 to 30 cents per gallon that buyers on tight budgets must factor in. This adds hundreds annually. Parts are expensive even at independent shops. But depreciation already happened. You're getting a $50,000 experience for $10,000. The Acura RDX from 2009 to 2012 offers turbocharged performance. The 2.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder produces 240 horsepower. 0 to 60 happens in under 7 seconds. The super-handling all-wheel drive distributes power intelligently. Fuel economy is 19 to 22 miles per gallon on premium fuel. Interior quality reflects Acura's premium positioning with leather and heated seats. This engine uses a timing chain, not a belt. However, turbochargers add complexity. Watch for turbo wear around 120,000 miles. Replacement costs $2,000 to $3,000. Listen for unusual whistling during test drives. Intercooler heat soak can cause power loss during aggressive driving in hot weather. The rear differential can develop leaks. Resealing costs $400 to $600. Check underneath for oil spots. Who should buy this? Driving enthusiasts needing practicality. Anyone seeking performance without V6 gas consumption. The deal breaker? Premium fuel adds 15 to 20% to fuel costs. Small cargo area won't satisfy large families. But for fun to drive with premium features, the RDX delivers. The Hyundai Santa Fe from 2012 to 2014 is the value leader. The 3.3-liter V6 producing 290 horsepower is the better choice. Fuel economy is 20 combined, surprisingly close to the 4-cylinder's 23. Interior quality is generous with soft-touch materials and features competitors charged extra for. Cargo space offers 40 cubic feet behind rear seats. The critical concern? Some engines experienced catastrophic failure due to manufacturing defects. Hyundai issued massive recalls. Research the VIN to verify recall completion. This is non-negotiable. Direct injection engines develop carbon buildup around 50 to 70,000 miles, costing $400 to $600 to clean. Who should buy this? Budget-conscious buyers wanting maximum features. Families needing space without CRV prices. The deal breaker? Engine problems create risk even with recalls. Resale value lags competitors, but you get more features and power for less money. Real value if you buy carefully. The Ford Escape from 2013 to 2016 brought modern design. Important, the 2012 model was the old boxy generation. The modern shape with EcoBoost engines started in 2013. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is the safe choice. The 1.6-liter EcoBoost had significant coolant intrusion problems. The 2.0-liter EcoBoost had carbon buildup issues. Fuel economy ranges from 22 to 26 combined.
The honest assessment? Early EcoBoost engines had major problems. Verify all recall work. The MyFord Touch infotainment system is notoriously unreliable with freezing screens. Who should buy this? Buyers wanting modern features at low prices. The deal breaker? EcoBoost engine risks. If risk-averse, stick with the 2.5-liter. But Ford made millions. Parts are cheap and available everywhere. The Chevrolet Equinox from 2013 to 2016 offers American practicality. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder produces 182 horsepower. The 3.6-liter V6 with 301 horsepower transforms this into a genuinely quick SUV. Cargo space leads the class at 31.5 cubic feet behind rear seats. Critical warning: the 2012 Equinox has 3 open recalls. This is a major red flag. Verify recalls were addressed. For 2013 to 2016 models, check for outstanding recalls too. Watch for timing chain stretch causing rattling on cold starts. Replacement costs $1,500 to $2,000. The transmission requires fluid changes every 50,000 miles, despite GM's lifetime fluid claims. Who should buy this? Buyers wanting American styling and generous space. The deal breaker? Resale value drops faster than Japanese competitors, but it's often $2,000 to $3,000 cheaper than comparable competition. There's your list: 10 reliable SUVs under $10,000. The Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 offer legendary reliability. The Subaru Forester delivers all-weather capability with resolved head gasket concerns. The Mazda CX-5 makes driving fun, skip 2013. The Highlander provides 3-row space, replace those oil cooler lines. The Lexus brings luxury, the Acura combines performance with premium. The Santa Fe loads features. The Escape offers modern tech from 2013. The Equinox delivers space. Verify recalls. Do your homework. Get pre-purchase inspections. Verify recalls. The difference between a great deal and disaster is proper inspection. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment on which SUV you're considering. Now go find your perfect affordable SUV.